If you are tired of buffering screen, low quality anime and pop-up ads that ruin your watch time, what if I told you there is a free and premium apps that let you stream the latest anime in HD with no ads and zero hustle? In this video, I'm revealing the top 3 best anime streaming apps that you need on your phone right now. So let's jump right in. The first app is Tubi, the best free option. Tubi is one of the most underrated gems for anime lovers. It's completely free, no sign up, no credit card. You can stream up to 720p quality where you can get cult classics and fan favorites. It has minimal ads compared to other free platforms. It has also ton of movies, shows and documentaries. So our second app is Hidive. For hardcore anime fans, it hosts exclusive titles and rare classics. You can stream it in full HD like 1080p. You can choose between dubbed or subbed. You can get new episode right after they air in Japan. You can get free trial available, then a low cost subscription. So if you want premium quality and early access with no ads, Hidive is worth it. Our third and last app is Crunchyroll. It has over 1000 anime titles and their episodes updated just hours after Japan's release. It's available in subtitles in multiple languages. You can stream it up to 1080p HD. You can use it free with ads or go premium for ad-free offline downloads and early access. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So these were the best anime apps available right now where you are on a budget or looking for premium features. There's something here for every anime lover.